Hello everyone, welcome to UW channel. I'm Vikas. Today we are excited to give a real breakthrough developed by UW Laser, refined over the 4 years with an investment of over the 10 million, which is RWD real-time weld depth monitoring system, in which manufacturing process, traditional method of inspection weld quality have great difficulty in process monitoring and real-time quality evaluation. On high-speed production lines, it's even harder to instantly determine whether a product is NG or OK. As a result, there are always blind spots in the quality control. Based on these needs, UW Laser has launched the RWD real-time weld depth monitoring system. During the welding process, a laser beam is split into the two paths, one directed into the weld seam and other kept as a reference. When they return, it interferes with each other. And then high-speed algorithms comes in. It converts the interference spectrum into the 3D spatial profile. Through this process, we can visualize changes of weld depth within just milliseconds. Beyond showing the weld depth in the real time, UW RWD system offers the tremendous advantages. First, based on the optical coherence tomography, the RWD system can provide quantitative weld depth data, defect classification, and instant OK and HG judgment. It also offers strong anti-interference capability with an extremely low rate of false rejects and misdetection. Secondly, the software side, the RWD system adopts an intelligent optical path dynamic calibration system through high-precision signal acquisition and peak positioning. It automatically aligns the detection beam with the welding beam, ensuring precise coaxial accuracy of the two beams. Meanwhile, our software is equipped with the 5 tracking algorithms, enabling precise measurement across the wide range of welding scenarios. Today, UW Laser RWD weld depth monitoring system has already been delivered in dozens of units, earning unanimous recognition and repeat orders from the multiple industry leaders. This system has transformed real-time weld depth monitoring from a concept into a mass production tool. And for many top-tier customers, it has become the standard configuration in their process upgrades.